Hi, I'm Gordon Gottlieb. I'm in New York City, and I'm a musician, percussionist. Taught at Juilliard, taught at Yale. I played with Steely Dan, Miles Davis, Aretha Franklin, Stevie Wonder. The list is pretty good. So, a lot of my information is kept in my phone, and my phone died, and I was distraught. Anyway, I sent it to a local tech shop. They couldn't fix it, so they sent it out to DriveSavers, and they restored all of my information. It was a miracle to me. I keep so many lists on my phone, lists of everything from restaurants to movie scenes to movies I want to see to what I've read, contacts, photos, basically everything I need to keep my life running smoothly. There was so much there, and I was desperate to have it back. Just pulling my nose out, thinking, oh no, have I lost all of the information I've kept on that phone? They got all of it back, every bit of it. The experience with DriveSavers was seamless. Like I said before, I tried at a local tech shop who could not repair it. They sent it out to you, and really within about 2 weeks, I got the great information that it was. The information was restored, and I couldn't be more grateful. No, your engineers are obviously geniuses because they restored every bit of data that I was looking for. So they have my vote. I would unequivocally recommend DriveSavers to anyone who has lost data. Mine was found. Why wouldn't they find yours? I'm so grateful to DriveSavers and cannot recommend it more. They saved my life in that sense. Anyway, thank you, DriveSavers. I'm so grateful.
DriveSavers, we can save it.